What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a look at the new Stream Manager, the new Stream dashboard that rolled out this last month. In my opinion, it's absolutely amazing, but you know what? Maybe you don't like it, and that's okay. All I'm going to say is give it a shot, check it out, before you make any assumptions, before you judge the new dashboard. Without further ado, let's get this thing started. Let's take a look at everything that Twitch has to offer to up your stream game. So how do I get to this new stream dashboard? This new Stream Manager is what they're calling it. It's Stream Manager now, not dashboard. Whatever. All you got to do is go to twitch.tv, the homepage, and at the top right, you want to click on your avatar, and you want to click on Creator Dashboard. You will be greeted with the new Stream Manager. The first thing you see is these quick stats at the top. Now, if you are new to streaming, or maybe you have a small fan base, whatever the case is, I highly recommend hiding your view count. Do not look at how many viewers you have. The reason why I say this, along with every other streamer out there will give you the same tip, is because of the simple fact that if you're seeing that you only got 1 or 2 viewers your whole stream, then you may not talk as much. You may be less entertaining. And at all times, at least in my opinion, when you're streaming, you need to kind of give it your all. You are running, let's say, a TV show. You don't want to watch a TV show that's pure silence. And maybe your view count is the reason why you are just sitting there quiet, because you have 0 viewers. So all you got to do is just click on viewers or session or views, whatever you want to hide, and it will hide it. That's it. You just got to click on it and it automatically hides it. And you can do this for each and every box. Now moving down to all these windows. As you can see, we have activity feed, stream preview, my chat, and quick actions. The activity feed in my chat is self-explanatory. My chat is your chat. Activity feed is what's going on in your stream. Follow, subs, channel request, whatever the case is. It's all under activity feed. Now you can move these windows. If you click the bar at the top where it says the title, activity feed, if you click that bar, you can drag these anywhere you want. You can customize this any way that pleases you. Now, let's say you want to go ahead and put your activity feed on a separate monitor, but you want to have your chat on another monitor. All you got to do is click on the 3 dots of the window and click on pop out. And as you can see, it's popped out into a nice little window. And when you want to put it back, you just press close pop out, and then boom, it's like magic. Something else to keep in mind is that you can resize these windows. If you click on the edges of the windows, they will turn purple, and you can just click and drag. Just drag them out and it will resize each window. Now, once you have your dashboard customized to the way you want it, you are going to have your quick actions window. The quick action window, it gives you buttons that allows you to do things in your stream more easily. So the first thing you'll see is edit stream info. You click on that, you get to edit your stream info. Boom, just like that. You don't have to load a new window or anything like that. It's all right there. You also have clip that. When you press clip that while you are streaming, this will create a clip of the last 30 seconds of your stream. Then you also have your ad breaks. Many of you may not understand the ad breaks, which we may explain in another video, but a quick breakdown is that you can roll ads on your stream at any given point, whether you're affiliate or partner, and earn money from them. You also can add new buttons to your quick actions. If you press the plus sign under quick actions, you will be able to see a whole list of actions that you can add there. You can add, let's say, a 160-second ad break. You can add a stream marker. Maybe you make highlights of your streams, of your VODs. Stream markers could be pretty useful. Just look through this list, and when you are ready to add something, just click on the add button. I just added the run 120-second ad break, and as you can see, it is right here. Now, these buttons you cannot move. They go in the order that you add them, so keep that in mind. Before we get into some of the other settings within your stream dashboard, Twitch added a little Easter egg to the Stream Manager. If you put in the Konami code while the Stream Manager is the active window, so just click anywhere within the Stream Manager window, and you type in up, down, left, right, B, A hidden menu will come up. What this hidden menu does is it allows you to hide your windows. So let's say you don't need your activity feed panel. Uncheck. You don't need your chat panel because you got that in OBS. Uncheck, but you want to edit stream info panel. Check. All you got to do is save and reload, and then boom, just like that, it reloads everything. So remember, guys, up, down, left, right, B, A. The good old Konami code. Now that you got a quick look at the Stream Manager, if you click at the top left, the sandwich, the 3 bars, you will see insights, community, content, preferences, streaming tools, extensions, and creator cam. Let's look at these very quickly, give a brief explanation on what's here. And if you guys want, we have insights. This is where all your channel stats will be. These channel stats are either for your most recent stream or let's say streams between Monday through Friday. You can see all the stats for that, whether it be your revenue, your view count, whatever the case is. That is what insights is for, as well as your achievements. Now, the achievements, these are just goals. You don't get nothing from them. You don't get no prizes or nothing. These are goals that will help you build your stream up. Now, going back to the menu, we have the community tab. This will allow you to edit roles within your channel. You can give people mod, VIP, editor, so on and so forth. The activity tab will show you your most recent changes on your stream. So let's say you have a editor or someone that changes your title during your stream. That's where all this will be shown. Now let's get into the channel points. The channel points are a lot like a currency that you may have through your chat bot, only it's managed by Twitch. So you can give a name to your channel points. Like mine, I have it named to tacos. You can also have rewards for your channel points. In order to enable channel points on your channel, just make sure that enable channel points is checked. Make sure that it's a purple check. Now let's say you want to edit your points and make it fit your theme of your stream. Just click on customize point display. You can change the name of your points as well as add an icon to your channel points. This is what people will see under the chat. And when you're done editing this, press save. Now, what if you want to give rewards? People need rewards to use their channel points, right? Click on manage rewards and you will be greeted by custom rewards and default rewards. The default rewards are highlight my message, random sub emote, send a message in sub only mode if you use that mode. And the person can modify one of your sub emotes or choose any emote of yours to unlock. Those are pretty self-explanatory. You can either enable them or disable them, as well as you can edit the cost of each and every reward just by clicking on edit. If you look at the top, you have custom rewards. So for my stream, my custom rewards is change games, tweet for me, and wear a wig for a whole stream. You can add anything you want with this. In order to add a new custom reward, you want to click on the plus button that says add new custom reward. And you can give your reward a name, a description of what the reward is. You can require for the viewer to put in text in order to redeem it, as well as how many channel points it's going to cost, and not only the icon, but also the background color of the box. You can also skip reward request queue. Let's say you want to moderate what people are redeeming on your chat. Maybe you want to accept a couple but deny the rest. You want to leave that off. If you turn it on, then you cannot moderate it. It's going to automatically be accepted. Limit redemption per stream. So let's say, such as my custom reward change games. If we click on edit on that, you can see I have it limited to 4 uses. Per stream, a person can redeem this 4 times each stream. After you've added a custom reward, it's going to show up here. So when you go to your channel, as you can see under your stream chat, you will see how many channel points you have. It'll show the icon. And if you click on that, it'll show you all of the rewards that your chat can redeem. How you see this on your channel right now is the same way that your viewers are going to see it, except instead of the infinity symbol, it's going to show how many tacos your viewer has. Now that we have a look at your channel points, let's go to content. Under content, it's pretty simple. You have your video producer. This will allow you to create highlights of your VODs as well as delete your VODs or download them. You have your collections. Maybe you want to create a playlist of all of the highlights that you've made. That's where you would do that. And your clips. Under clips, it's going to show clips that you've created of both your channel and other channels and what clips have been created of your channel. Under preferences, you have channel, moderation, and affiliate. For channel, this is your own personal preference, your own channel preference. You have your primary stream key. Don't ever show this to anybody. You have your disconnect protection. Let's say your internet's bad, or maybe you're streaming outside and you get disconnected from your stream. This will put up a disconnection warning for 90 seconds on your stream saying, hey, the streamer will be right back. Don't go nowhere. Store past broadcasts. This is what your VODs are. If you have this turned on, your streams will be saved as VODs. Now, let's say you're a mature streamer. Let's say your stream includes drinking, a whole ton of cussing like a trucker, whatever the case may be. You want to turn on mature content. Whenever someone comes to your stream, they will see a warning before watching your stream saying, hey, this streamer has mature content. Are you sure you want to watch it? Then latency mode. A lot of people ask me how there's so little delay between my stream and chat, or my stream and them. That's because I have low latency on. If you have normal latency on, you can see anywhere from a 2-second delay, depending on how good your computer and depending on how good your computer and internet is, or you can see all the way up to 1 to 2 minute delay. So let's say you don't have the greatest internet, or maybe you just want the most out of the delay between you and your viewers. Go ahead and turn on low latency mode. You also have your permissions, channels that you can manage, and people who can stream to your channel. You can change your profile color and your video player banner. This is your offline screen. A lot of people don't know where this is. So again, this is under preferences, channel. This is how you edit your offline screen. If you're new to Twitch, you may want to take a look at auto hosting. Some people use this to network, saying, hey, I will put you on my auto host list if you put me on yours, which is okay. Or maybe you have a bunch of friends that you stream with that whenever you're offline, not streaming, you want to help support them. This is where auto hosting comes in. If you want to use this feature, make sure that auto host channels is turned on. Now the rest, host team channels, if you're not on a team on Twitch, keep that off. Host pre-recorded videos, totally up to you. Doesn't really matter. Your hosting priority. Now this one is all personal preference. You can either host random channels from your host list, or you can host the channels in order. Now if you want to add or delete people from your auto host list, you want to click on host list, add and manage your hosted channels. Now as you can see here, it comes up with a list, at least on my end. On yours, you may not see no list. You just want to click on search channels to host, and some will pop up, but if you start typing in, like we'll put in Grim, I don't know who this person is, but let's say I did and I want to add them to my host list. You just click add. Boom. They are on your list. Simple stuff. Now something else under preferences is raids. A lot of people do not know that this setting exists. This raid setting is very important. Getting raided by someone else, whether it be smaller or bigger, okay, is vital to your channel because it brings in new people. It allows other streamers to help show support to your channel. Make sure that allow all raids is on. Why wouldn't you want to allow raids? Seriously, come on, people. Now that you know what the channel preferences are, you have your moderation preference, which this is just the auto mod in your channel. If you don't use a chat bot in your channel to mod your chat, like let's say saying bad words or whatever the case is in chat, blocking links, you can use the moderation on Twitch. Block hyperlinks is to block all links from your channel. Then you also have your chat rules. Your chat rules is what shows up when someone new comes to your channel and they click on your chat. When they click on the chat box to type something in, this is what is going to show up. You can also turn on and off your follower only mode and also see your banned chatter list. Now looking at your affiliate preferences, if you are affiliate, you probably have already seen this dashboard. You probably have already seen all these settings. So I'm not going to go into detail on this yet, but if you would like me to, let me know. We have the affiliate onboarding. This is what you use to go through to affiliate. You have your payout method, the agreement, that's the terms of service. And then you have ad-free viewing. So if someone's subbed to your channel, do you want them to still have ads, or do you want them to have the pleasure of not having ads? You have ignore slow mode. If you have slow mode on, subs may ignore it. You have subscriber chat and then subscriber only archives. I don't recommend turning this one on. This is to where your VODs will only be available to subs. Now VODs are useful for your channel, so please keep that off if you are new to streaming. Then you have your minimum bits to cheer and your minimum bits emote. Then your cheer badges. You can change all of this any way you like. You have your leaderboards. So at the top of your chat, you will see a leaderboard where it says cheer or gift a sub now to be number 1. If someone throws bits at you or they gift subs, their names will be showed on top of chat for everyone to see. I highly recommend keeping this on, as you know, it may help you grow some more revenue. You can change the time range between weekly, monthly, and all time. Now the rest of the dashboard is pretty simple. They're not really settings, they're just information for you. The streaming tools are just basically tools that you can use for your stream, such as OBS, XSplit, OBS.live, Streamlabs, so on and so forth. If you already have OBS downloaded and you have your overlays and alerts, you really don't need to pay any attention to this tab. Then you have your extensions tab, which we will get into in the next video because there's a lot that goes on with extensions. It can be simple or it can be pretty fucking daunting. And you also have your creator camp. I highly recommend, whether you've been streaming for a year or you're brand new to streaming, to go through the creator camp. The creator camp is what Twitch gives you to show you how to properly build your stream. Partnered streamers from Twitch make videos for you. They show you the perks of emotes. They show you how to make money on your stream. They show you how to get started. So although you may be watching videos on YouTube on tutorials about Twitch, growing, blah, 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 most of it is already under the creator camp, especially for partners. Like, that's why you keep hearing the same tips over and over and over. You need a camera. You need to be entertaining. You need to keep talking. Your camera angle matters, blah, 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 blah. We all make these videos over and over in our own way, but honestly, it's already given to you through Twitch. So it's just recycled content. So now that you have an idea of everything that goes into the new Stream Manager, what do you think? Let me know in the comments. My name is Tex, and this has been a hugely requested video by the people in Zexy. And if you're not part of Zexy, what are you doing with your life? Come and join us. We have a great family. I hope you guys have a great day. And if you guys need to know anything, just say so, all right? I got you, boo-boo.